Hello everyone, myself Dr. Anupriya Jain, Department of Physics from Gujranwala Guru Nanak Khalsa College, Ludhiana. Students, today we will discuss the BSc final semester topic from Electronics and Solid State Devices, Multi-Vibrator. In previous lectures, we have discussed about operational amplifier, how it works, its circuit symbol and its applications. Now we will start multi-vibrator. So first of all we will see what is multi-vibrator. It's a new topic for you. Multi-vibrator simply is an electronic device which is used to implement two-state devices, and this two-state device can be a oscillator, can be a timer and can be a flip-flop. So in definition you can write it is an electronic device which is used to implement two-state devices. Clear? Now what is the meaning of this term two-state? In digital signals we know we have two values only, either the signal is low or the signal is high. These low and high signal values are known as two states of any device. Okay, suppose we have a signal of 0 volt. This is one state, 0 volt, and maximum value of that signal is, let us suppose, 15 volt. So this is the another state of that device. This is high, low. So here the word two-state means we have a digital signal, one value of which is low and another is high. Two-state devices like oscillators, timers, flip-flops, etc. Flip-flops, etc. Clear? So this is the basic definition of multi-vibrator. Now depending upon the number of stable states, we can divide multi-vibrator into three types. Depending upon number of stable states. Number of stable states, what it means we will discuss by differentiating these three types of multi-vibrator. So this differentiation is based upon number of stable states. On number of stable states. So three different types: astable multi-vibrator, monostable multi-vibrator and bistable multi-vibrator. Clear? We will discuss the differentiation of all these three because it is very important question and frequently asked in every exam. What is the difference between different types of multi-vibrator? So astable multi-vibrator is a kind of multi-vibrator in which output will not remain stable in any of the two states. Mono means one. So in monostable multivibrator, the output will remain stable only in one state and unstable in second state. And the third bi means 2. So the output will remain stable in both of the states. We will discuss the differentiation in detail and what is the use of these different kinds of multivibrator. So it is very important question. So write down a stable multivibrator. As we have discussed, astable means, first point you can write, the output will not remain stable, will not remain stable in any of two states. How? For example, our output is like this, starting from lower value and the highest value, or let us suppose it is 5 volt. So the first we are here in low state, output independently changed to this high value. Again after some time it goes to low state, and again after some time it goes to the state high. So after which time, and that time is decided by which components. So in second point you can write this time for which your output will remain in any of the state. In any of state means it can be in low state or it can be in high state. It will be decided by the passive components of the multivibrator, and passive components it can be of any of component, your resistor, your capacitor. So your output of the astable multivibrator will remain in any of the state for which period of time, that time will be decided by your passive components, resistors or capacitors. Clear? So the time for which output remain in any of the state, as we have already mentioned that output will not remain stable in these two states, it will immediately change to high and then change to low, and for after which time period, that time will be decided by, stable state is decided by passive elements like resistor, capacitor, etc. Clear? So third point, a stable multivibrator is used to design relaxation oscillators. Used to design relaxation oscillators. Clear? So this is all about a astable multivibrator. Detail of this with 555 timer we will discuss later. Second type is monostable multivibrator. Monostable means in which we have one stable state and one unstable state. So in first point we can write, in this we have, in this the output will remain stable in one state only. One state only, and this state can be low state or high state. How can we proceed in this? Suppose this low state is our stable state. Clear? So we have mentioned in this that output will remain stable in one state, and we have told that this low state is stable state. So from stable to means low to high, it will not go automatically. We have to apply some trigger, or we can say an external signal, to make this output high, or we can say to switch this multivibrator from stable to unstable state. We have to apply some external signal which is known as trigger. Clear? Then if we apply some external signal trigger, it will goes to unstable state. Now the question is, after how much time it will again come back to stable state? We have discussed in unstable multivibrator that from unstable state to stable state or unstable state, the time will be decided by passive component. So from stable to unstable, we have to apply some trigger, and when we want to go from unstable to stable state, that time will be decided by passive elements. So this capital T, this time period will be decided by passive elements, resistors, capacitors, etc. So after this time, the multivibrator again goes to the stable state. Clear? Now from stable to unstable, again we have to apply some trigger. This is trigger signal. Then it will again goes to unstable state. Clear? So in second point, we can write that from stable to unstable, we have to apply some trigger, and the time for which the output will remain in unstable state is decided by passive elements, resistor and capacitors, etc. Clear? Third point, where it is used in timer applications. Clear? I hope you will understand both of these. Now third one is bistable multivibrator. Bi means vibrator, bi means two, means the multivibrator which has two stable states. In this, the output will remain stable in both states. Since the output is stable in both the states, clear? So we have to apply external signal to change each and every state. Means if our signal is previously in low state, then we have to apply some external signal to switch from low to high. But this is again a stable state. This is stable 1, this is stable 2. This is again a stable state. So naturally the state will not change automatically. Again we have to apply a trigger signal here to switch from higher to lower state. This is external trigger. Again it will come to lower state. Again apply some trigger and it will switch back to state high. Clear? So there is no unstable state, so there is no role of passive components. The time will be decided by your external signal. These kind of multivibrators are used in the designing of flip-flops. Clear? So this is the basic difference between all the three multivibrators: stable, monostable and bistable. Very important question. Now we can design these multivibrators by using operational amplifiers, by using transistors, or by using 555 timers. But in our syllabus we will design these two multi-vibrators by using 555 timer. So for this we need to know what is 555 timer and what is its circuit diagram. So in our next lecture we will first discuss about what is 555 timer, and in next videos we will concentrate on how we can design a stable multivibrator and monostable multivibrator by using this 555 timer. For today this is our topic of discussion. I hope it is clear. Thank you.